Hello and welcome to everyone in the What's the Difference series. Today, we will learn about
What's the difference between
everyday and everyday. First of all, we talk about
everyday? Everyday is one word and always used before a noun.
everyday means used or seen regularly. For example, social media has become part of everyday life. Second example, these are my everyday shoes. They are very comfortable. Now, we will talk about
Everyday. Everyday, two words.
everyday means each day. For example, I drink coffee every day. Second example, people all over the world check Facebook every day. If you don't understand anything, repeat the lecture immediately. Subscribe to the channel to get more free informative videos. Like the video, share the video, and if you like your animated tutor, tell us on comments. Thanks for watching. Lots of love to everyone. The end.